Alright, so I'm doing another test. Hopefully this will be different. Or, this will help me do the middle. Not sure. Okay, so this is, where I left off. Um, I do have, my two dragons, and I do have two zelos with me. My counter zelos. One, they both have, what was it called? High velocity rounds. One has the subaquatic propellant, the other one doesn't. But one doesn't have, I think, MX3, so we'll tell if it, dies. I do have the Motorhead's crew, 30% more anti-mortar at range, so that should help me a lot in this target. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I'll run my Infernos first. Okay, just keep on running. Just keep on running. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm doing it. Alright. Works. Yes! That is a successful hit. Oh, awesome. Dead 117. Two zelos can do it. Driving is needed though. Intense driving. Okay, well, how much repair is that one? That's 1 hour 17 minutes. Not bad. See, it got hit a little bit by one, and also doesn't have MX3, so that's a problem. That's not my refitted zelos. My refitted zelos is this one, and I took off the solid fuel booster 3 and put on the concussive Gatling gun for the 104 range, and I reduced the engine so that it actually can be work with the speed of the Inferno Dragon. But that is a really good successful hit. I'm liking that a lot. So it'll take a little bit driving, but the key to it is keep the zelos at decent range behind it. Two zelos should be able to do this if they have the right build. So whenever I get chance, I will refit this zelos with the concussive Gatling gun and put on MX3. I will see what I can do with the Inferno Dragons. I'm still hesitant on whether I should do the counters on it. So for now, I might just keep on doing it how it is now. Maybe do 6 rockets, and then the last 2 slots, keep them open for counters if I do, want to put counters on it. But for now, uh, it's all depending on, but that's a successful hit. I like that. Um, so that was, and these That was a mortar head too. Pretty sure if I had mortar head the first time and 2 zelos, I would have been able to do it a lot better. But I'm not entirely sure. I'll have to do another test next time with 2 zelos and see how it goes whenever I refit my second zelos, because I will do that with refit zelos. I will refit my I'm refitting one right now. Go away. Yeah, I'm refitting one. I don't have MX3 on it. So next week, whenever or when, not next week, this week, whenever I do the FM, I use the tokens to get the Inferno Dragon fully done. Well, not fully done, but pretty good done, decently done. And they should theoretically be able to, 3 of them should be able to kill the full 117 decent, I guess. I would like to see how it does with charged armor, but that's, more to come. Recondite rockets, I couldn't really tell if it was working or not. Maybe y'all can, tell me if it is or not. I'm not sure. I wasn't really paying attention too much, as I was mainly focusing my whole attention on driving and making sure that the zelos, wasn't getting hit. But there's a sweet spot to keep the zelos at, and to cover, make sure you kill all the mortars. So you have to watch out for the executioners and that stuff. What I probably will do, let me see if I can show a build real quick. Recondite rocket, just just in case it works. I'm not sure. You do need MX3. I would say a good bet. Where are you at? You're at lower. Yeah. A good bet would be the evade. Don't know, cause the Mastodons do quite a bit of damage to you. So I would not put another reload special, because this is enough reload. At max rank with the RFX engine, the twin fires are 0.5 reload. That's the same reload as the Dragon's Breath, the secondary weapon. It's 0.5, so you're still getting a pretty good reload. So I wouldn't do that kind of reload. Maybe explosive system 4, cause so you're not, the minus the spread, so you're not wasting rockets on the surrounding walls where you don't really need them. Kind of focus your rockets on one part, because the more spread you have on the rockets, I don't know. I think it won't, be good with spread. Focus all your attack power on one area. So let's see about that. And then evade, I would probably say evade would be a pretty good bet, so that you could, miss the missiles. Or, if you really want to go, we can do Ion Thruster 4 with the splash damage reduction. That might be good. And it also adds evade, but 16%. So, and I don't know if the evade will actually help at all, because it's already at 95% remote target evade. Would another 50% evade actually help with the the remote target? I don't know. It's a guessing game. So probably what I'll do for this one, after this refits in, I think 17 hours, 18 hours, whenever this thing gets done, I'll probably, have it has 1 rocket on it. I'll add 2 specials and add 5 more rockets, and see how that will, see which one works with Guidance Scrambler 3 on it. So, and then of course the M. I'm wondering if 2 M's. Okay, that's going to kill me. I have to put the M on down here. Sorry. Wondering if 2 M's will be enough. I would think so. And since there's the explosives, the mortars do hurt a lot. X are 3x charged. That might be it. I don't know. If you're running 2 zelos, you might be able to reduce the amount of explosives hitting you because you're taking down all the mortars. Theoretically, taking down all the mortars, taking down all the rockets. I saw on the last hit that the rockets were getting taken down, so that's good. So the main problem area is the missiles, so you might want more M charged armors on your Inferno Dragon if you're running zelos. But always a safe bet, 2 and 2, 1 and 1, so it's even. Leaving those two open for counters, and if you don't feel risky about it, add more repair. I don't know, evade, if that works. I wouldn't suggest it right now because we don't know, but that's always an option. So that's the type of build that I would do, something like this. I'll test out the Guidance Scrambler 3, see if it helps any more at all with the remote target. And how I'll do that, maybe I'll single out one of the guns or whatever, the destroyers, kill all the turrets around it, single out the destroyer, and see how an Inferno Dragon with the Guidance Scrambler 3 does compared to an Inferno Dragon without it. So I'll probably do a video like that in the near future. But so far, I am impressed. Only 2 Inferno Dragons with only 4 rockets each, and only 4 specials on it. That's all I had. Yeah, that's basically that, or minus those 2. But yeah, that was basically it right there. 4 specials on those 2 Inferno Dragons, and it did remarkably well. I'm very impressed. I like that. I like that a lot, and I presume it'll get a lot better with charged armor with the right specials. And so hopefully we can figure this out and do better next time. So I will. Yeah, that's pretty good. I'll leave it at that. So until next time, pirates, we'll figure this out. Do say mortar heads will be a must-have for that. So until next time, pirates.